Namaste. I, JVN Priti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic Material Management. Material Management is the part of quality assurance subject for the B Pharm 6th semester students. This topic is very important for the quality assurance and warehousing and calibration and validation. So we will discuss this topic material management. Firstly, we will discuss about the introduction. It is an organization concept which has authority and responsibility of all activities, principally concerned with the flow of materials in the organization. Operations involved in the flow of material are purchasing, inventory control, and receiving, storing, production, scheduling, and shipping of finished product. Hence, material management work in relation with the production, marketing, and sales and quality control. So now we come to the objective of material management. First one is maximizing the use of working capital, and second one is lowering inventory investment and increasing the inventory turnover by cutting the cost related to purchase, ensuring cooperation of all departments, and providing best services to the level of customers' delight. Now we come to the functions of material management. Functions of material management is also very important part for the management system and quality management system. Material planning and programming, simplification, standardization and value analysis, inventory control and management, purchasing of material in desired quantities without delays, receiving incoming material, storage, preservation, and administration of material. Transportation, internal and external, and material handling, disposing of rejects and obsolete material, improving operation efficiency through training. Material and quality and quantity. For the purchase of raw material, four factors are considered to be essential. Firstly, quality, quantity, price, delivery time. Optimizing these factors is the essential of the material management. Now we come to the first factor is quality. It is defined as the suitability of an item to accomplish the intended purpose. A quality standard is the description of an acceptable quality of a particular item. Example, quality of drugs and excipients is expressed as per the standard of IP, Indian Pharmacopoeia, BP, British Pharmacopoeia, USP, United States Pharmacopoeia, NF, National Formulary, and BPC, etc. Raw material and components should be satisfy the following requirements. First one is efficiency with which the material can perform its functions. Cost and estimated life of the material. Power consumption in case of equipment. The quality of material used as direct relationship with the end use of the product. In the purchasing context, quality is expressed as the capability of doing a certain things. The function of, now next one is quantity. Firstly, we will discuss quality and second one is quantity. The function of purchasing department is to buy the right quantity. From inventory point of view, quantity standard are decided on the following parameters. First one is maximum inventory and minimum inventory and standard order and reorder point. The quality is mainly based on the calculation of economic order quantity. Next one is value analysis. Value is defined as the lowest cost paid for the reliability, providing the required function or service at the desired time and place with essential quality. Value analysis is a systematic study of every element for its cost in a part, material, or service to make certain that it perform its function at lowest possible cost. Primary objective of value analysis is to obtain the same quantity of a product and to achieve the required function at a lower possible cost. Next one is benefits. Cost of existing product decreases and unnecessary expenditure can be identified and eliminated in product, process, or services. Import substitution efforts get boosted, greater profit occur. Types, user value, properties that accomplish use work or services, example for self-sealing tape, and stream value, cost value, and exchange value. The type of the value is very important for the material management. Now, next one is value ratio. Value ratio function may be expressed in terms of performance, reliability, and appearance, etc. It is expressed as value is equal to function upon total cost. Once a function is kept constant, value can improve by the following ways. First one is reducing the cost and improving the function. Unnecessary cost may be due to lack of information, lack of ideas, wrong beliefs, and habit and attitudes, and changes circumstances. Function of purchasing department. Function of purchasing department's role is also very important for the material management. Ordering section place order with the vendors is the very good behavior and good communication. Centralized purchasing, if a company has production operation at different places and if the nature of operation is similar, then centralized purchasing is preferred for the better management of material in pharmaceutical industry. So this is the complete session and this is the sum of session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class, every problem resolving class on every Thursday in a week. So thank you students and thank you for the listening.